Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. We do not feel the necessity of entering into a detailed discussion with regard to the entire prosecution case, as Mr. Tripathi, learned senior counsel, has fairly stated that he will not be able to demolish the case of the prosecution with regard to involvement of accused Shivaram Barik, who, according to prosecution, is the main accused and caused all the 5 injuries on the person of the deceased with a sharp-edged weapon, tangi. In fact, Mr. Tripathi has laid entire stress in segregating the case of accused Sumitra Barik from her husband, stating that it appears that the complainant side has knitted a net wider not only to implicate accused Sumitra Barik but even her 2 sons in the present case by ascribing them the role of catching hold of the deceased. He submitted that if one looks at the injuries on the person of the deceased, which are not only 5 in number but have covered the different part of the body, one of the injury even cutting the windpipe also, the story of catching hold of the deceased by 3 accused appears to be most improbable on the face of it. Had their accused caught hold of the deceased as now put forth by the prosecution, this, instead of facilitating the main accused Shivaram Barik to cause injuries, would have created hindrance for him in assaulting the deceased with the weapon he was having in his hand. Learned senior counsel submitted that the wife of the deceased, who approached the police on the next day, had sufficient time to involve all the family members by getting them a specific role of catching hold of the deceased. Learned senior counsel submitted that it cannot be always said that ascribing the role of catching hold of the deceased by itself is of a weak character, as it depends on each individual case, but in the present case, when even 2 minor sons are not spared by the complainant side, it certainly creates doubt even about the participation of accused Sumitra Barik. Learned senior counsel fairly submitted that although he is not holding the brief of 2 minor sons of the present accused, as their case has been segregated for a separate trial by the juvenile court, but keeping in view the totality of the facts and circumstances of the present case and the manner in which the prosecution has developed its case by giving accused Sumitra Barik and her 2 sons the role of catching hold of the deceased, he, in his submissions, could not segregate the case of accused Sumitra Barik from her 2 sons at least. He thus prays for acquittal of accused Sumitra Barik at least of the charge of section 302/34 IPC. Stop.